Let's move on to our submetering transmitters, our PMTs, or otherwise known as pulse meter transmitters. We make three different PMTs, our EN1501, EN1501XL with extended battery life, and our EN1501EXT designed to be integrated into a meter as one unit. These transmitters are designed to monitor the flow of water, gas, or electricity flowing through a meter with pulsed outputs. It is important to note that these transmitters only work with our EN4000 receiver and EN6040 network coordinator. Our most commonly used PMT is our EN1501, which uses a CR123A battery and has a 5-year battery life. This transmitter is compatible with our TapWatch submetering system and virtually any meter with a pulsed output with a maximum of 10 feet of wire from the meter to the transmitter. The EN1501XL offers all the same functionality of the EN1501, but with a non-replaceable battery that offers a 20-year battery life to help cut down on maintenance costs. The EN1501EXT has the same functionality of the EN1501, but designed to be integrated into its own meter and can be powered by an external power source or use a CR123A battery.